Students, today we will read the last part of the lesson, the jackal and the rooster. Last part, that is SCB 3. In the last class, that means in SCP 2, we read about the rooster who was cut by the jackal for his foolishness. After the rooster was cut by the jackal, it wanted to free from the jackal's attack. The rooster caught by the jackal for his foolishness. After it was cut, it wanted to free from the jackal's attack. So he thought of a plan. He wanted to divert the mind of the jackal. He wanted to mold the jackal. So he said like this: without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great pleasure! What a great feeling! Really, the rooster was not feeling happy, but he wanted to divert the mind of the jackal. He wanted the jackal to open his mouth so that it might escape, but it might be free from the attack of the jackal. Now we will read SGB 3 and see whether the jackal opened its mouth or not. Look at the book SGB 3. The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster. Felt happy with the words of the rooster. As he opened his mouth to say something, that means the jackal followed but obeyed the advice of the rooster and opened his mouth. The rooster was caught by the jackal for his foolishness. After it was caught, he tried to escape from the jackal's attack. He molded the jackal, motivated the jackal, and the jackal opened the mouth. Here the rooster proved his cleverness, but here the jackal proved his foolishness. The jackal, who always proves his cleverness, here he proves his foolishness. So after the jackal opened his mouth to say something, the rooster flew up a tree. Here the jackal was foolish, but the rooster was clever. At first it was foolish and was caught by the jackal. Here the jackal proved his foolishness. He opened his mouth, and after he opened his mouth, the rooster flew up to a tree. Sitting on the branch of the tree, that means the rooster flew up to a tree. It sat on a tree and sang. So like it is sitting on the branch of a tree, the rooster sang. Why did it sing? Now, I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping my eyes. Keeping open my eyes, the jackal waved and said, I am a great fool to believe what you said for opening mouth. I feel really repentant. After the rooster was freed from the attack of the jackal, it flew to a tree, it sat on a tree and sang. What did he sing? Now I was a fool to believe your words. At first, the jackal believed the words of the jackal. The rooster believed the words of the jackal, closed the eyes, and was caught by the jackal. She said, I was a fool to believe your lies. Believe, and the meaning word of believe. Believe means follow or obey. O-B-E-Y, obey. I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping my eyes open. I closed instead of keeping my eyes open while I was singing. I was always kept my eyes open. I believed the word and closed my eyes. I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of. Write the meaning of instead of. Instead of means rather than. Rather than or in the place of. I was a fool to believe your lies. That means you told a lie and I believed it blindly. So I was caught by you. Secondly, I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed my eyes instead of keeping it open. The jackal wept and said. The jackal wept. Why did the jackal weep? Because it lost its prey. The jackal's prey was the rooster. The jackal wept and said, I am a great fool to believe what you said. The jackal did not believe the trick of the rooster. He opened its mouth to say something. When he opened the mouth, the rooster flew over a tree. It said, I am a fool to believe your words. Now the jackal also wept and said, what did he say? Now I am a great fool. I am also a fool to believe what you said. I believe your word and open my mouth. So I am a fool now. For opening my mouth, I really repented. I feel really repented. Now the jackal feel really repented. For what? For opening his mouth. So what is the meaning of repent? Repent. Repent means regret. To feel. To feel pain or sorrow. Now, the jackal really means actually, but truly, truly, but actually. Now the jackal repented. For what? Because it believed the words of the rooster and opened its mouth. He lost his praise for his foolishness. Always he proves his cleverness, but in this chapter we read that the jackal proved his foolishness. Really, the topic is very interesting. Now I will give some questions. Basing exhibit 2. In most cases, jackal proved his cleverness. But it is an exceptional story, I think, because in most cases that I have read, the jackal is a clever fellow and the others are foolish, but he proved his cleverness. So the story is really interesting, but we are very much interested by the topic. Questions. Did the jackal open his mouth? This is easier question. Did the jackal open his mouth? Number 2. What happened? When the jackal opened his mouth? What happened when the jackal opened his mouth? What did the rooster say after he flew up to a tree? Up to a tree. What did the rooster say after it flew up to a tree? Number 4. What are the mistakes of the jackal? What was the mistake? What are the mistakes of the jackal? Another question there, similar type. What are the mistakes of the rooster? What was the mistake? What are the mistakes of the rooster? Both of them committed mistake. The jackal committed his mistake, opened his mouth, so it was his mistake. The rooster committed mistake. He followed the advice of the jackal and closed his eyes. Now we will answer the 5 questions. The first one is, did the jackal open its mouth? It is an easier question. It is yes or no type question. So you have to answer the question with yes or no. Did the jackal open its mouth? केवल yes or no type. Yes. Answer above. Yes. Yes. The jackal did opened its mouth. Full stop. Question last to do. Number 2. What happened when the jackal opened his mouth? When the jackal opened its mouth, its mouth, flew up to a tree, flew up to a tree, to a tree. When the jackal opened its mouth, the rooster flew up to a tree. Number 2 answer. Number 3. What did the rooster say after it flew up to a tree? Number 3. What did the rooster say after it flew up to a tree? After. After the rooster flew up to a tree, it said that it was a fool to believe. It was a fool to believe. B-E-L-I-E-V. It was after the rooster flew up to a tree. It said that it was a fool to believe the words of the jackal. The words of the jackal. Number 3. Question: what did the rooster say after it flew up a tree? Now, after the rooster flew up to a tree, it said that it was a fool to believe the words of the jackal. Number 4. What are the mistakes of the jackal? The mistake of the jackal was that it believed the words of the rooster, the words of the rooster. What are the mistake of the jackal? The mistake of the jackal was that it believed the words of the rooster and opened its mouth Fourth one, the last question. What are the mistake of the rooster? What are the mistake of the rooster? The mistake of the rooster, the mistake of the rooster was that it closed its eyes while singing. The mistake of the rooster was that it closed its eyes while singing, but while it was sad. These are the answers of the questions of the SGB. This is all about the chapter, the rooster and the jackal, but the jackal and the rooster. Thank you very much, students.
Written,